of you. Let us continue our chapter waste management. We are doing impact of the waste accumulation. We have to see the air pollution we have started in the previous session. Now we will see the effect of the air pollution. Two types of pollution was there, primary and the secondary. The primary, which is directly mixes in the air. The secondary, when the poisonous gases mixes in the air and when they create a new substance over there, like ozone, formation of ozone on the lower layer, that is known as a secondary pollution. Now the effect of the air pollution we will have to see. The first one is an acid rain. When all this pollution mixes in the air and moves in the atmosphere, whenever the rainfall occurs, it mixes with the rainwater and come back on the earth's surface. So what happens with the rainwater, which having all these gases, they create a very weak solution of a chemicals in the water, and they are harmful for the crops, for the monuments, for the buildings, because corrosion occurs when it falls on the buildings. It start corrosion of the buildings. It's also harmful for the plants and also the crops which is on the field. It is also effect on the soil. The quality of a soil is also affected because of the acid rain. The second topic is a global warming. Most of the global warming, the concept comes, most of the air pollution comes from the automobile industry. Mainly the carbon dioxide, when releases in the atmosphere, the amount of carbon dioxide was remained constant. But when the more vehicles are there, more carbon dioxide will emitted in the atmosphere. What will happen? This carbon dioxide will absorb the heat energy of the sun also and the terrestrial radiation of the earth also. Because of this heat energy was trapped by this carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, slowly and gradually this heat will rise the temperature of the earth's surface. The carbon dioxide will not allow the earth energy to escape in the atmosphere, and also the insolation of the sun is absorbed by this carbon dioxide, and slowly and gradually the temperature of the globe will increase, known as a global warming. You have studied this topic very in detail in the previous class. The third effect of the formation of an ozone layer near the Earth's surface, as I told you, the ozone formation, when the different gases emits in the atmosphere, and when they go to the atmosphere, what happens there? They create the secondary pollution. Secondary pollution, in which what happened, the new gas, that is ozone, forms are very close to Earth's surface, and it is a harmful. It will not allow to reach the sun rays on the Earth's surface. The rays are very important for the plant and animals on the Earth's surface. Now the next effect is a smoke. Smoke is a combination of smoke and fog. Fog is very common in the winter days. You have observed in the India, in the Gorakhpur also, it is a very common in the mornings. Some winter mornings, fog was very common. Sometimes the fog is so dense that visibility was very less. You just imagine when the smoke mixes in the fog. When the smoke will mixes with the fog, it becomes a very dense picture was given of the London here. Fog becomes very dense. That concept is known as a smoke. First time it occurs on the London only, so the name was given as a smoke. It occurs because in the daytime, when the emission of the harmful gases in the atmosphere through industry, it was because of the global warming, because of the various factors. It does not escape in the atmosphere. It remains near the Earth's surface, and when in the morning the fog occurs, it mixes with the fog. It becomes a dense layer near the Earth's surface. Now, because of this, what happened? Because of this, what happened? The amount of oxygen will decrease in the atmosphere, and the breathing problem of the animals will be observed. So this was the smoke. Mainly the smoke occurs for two types. The first one, when the smoke was mixes. The second time, any harmful gases when mixes with the air is this. The two types of a smoke was given here. The first one is a London type of a smoke. It occurs when the moisture of the air condenses on the smoke particles, products the burning coal forming. When the smoke particles mixes with the water droplet moisture of the atmosphere, that is a London type of a smoke. And the second type of a smoke is called petrochemical smoke, where the various type of air pollution from the industry automobile mixes. Here the mixture, here the water droplets are not there, the water droplets were not there, only the smoke of the industry. The thermal power also emits a large amount of S2O, CO2, NO2. Nuclear power plant also releases all these gases. So this is how, when the release of all these gases in the atmosphere, this type of a pollution occur. This type of a problem is created. So the effect of the air pollution, the effect of the air pollution, the effect of air pollution is acid rain, global warming, ozone layer, formation of ozone layer near the earth's surface, smoke. So this was the air pollution. Now the question answer, if you see, the question answer is not sufficient. Whatever the given at the back is not sufficient. The board, you know, the question was objective. Many paper having many objective questions. So only 18 question is not enough for your board examination. The line by line, what is given on paper is objective. Mainly the 60% of a question is objective, and the few questions are descriptive. So for the, when we prepare the objective questions, we have to learn one by one, word by word of the chapter. Don't only rely on to depend upon the question is given at the back. Better you should have one self-study. The evergreen self-study is a better one. Sorry, that you should have, and the most of the question comes from the evergreen only. But when whatever the self-study if you're having, that will also enough for your topic. So this is all about your air pollution. Next topic is a water pollution. We have to see only the causes and effect. In this chapter, what we will study, the causes, how this occurs, and what are the effect of that pollution. You have studied very detailed in the class time, so I'm not good explaining more, but then also we'll see the two things only. We'll see the causes, why the pollution causes, and what are the effect of the that. Now water pollution we'll see in the next session. Thank you.